Hey guys, a quick one. So I'm here for three sets of persons. One is those that have the zeal to start up a business, a main hustle or a side hustle, but keep saying they don't have the money to rent a shop. Yes, I get this a lot of time. People come to my DM and they're like, Rachel, oh, I'm interested in learning importation, but the problem here is that I don't have a shop yet. I don't have money to rent a shop. Okay, so I'm here for you today. Second set of persons are those that already have a physical store but have the intention of selling online but don't know where and how to sell online for free. The third set of persons are those that are already into business. Probably you have an online store but you're not making sales. So in this video I'm going to be showing you some places you can actually advertise your business online from the comfort of your home and make cool cash all for free. So I'm not talking about paid ads, I'm not talking about sponsored ads. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing with you some places, some social media platform you can actually sell your product without spending so much money, or let me say where you can sell your product free of charge. Let's dive into the video of today. Hi guys, hello, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachael Naabon and I'm here with a quick video. So if you're new on this channel, do well to subscribe, like, turn on the notification. So why should you like my videos? One, it's free. Two, it makes me know that you support this video, you love this video, and you want more people to see the video. So the more you like my videos, the more people get to see my videos. Turn on the notification bell, you get notified whenever I upload new videos like this. All right, so the first place you can sell your product, and the one I love talking about, that is free of charge. All you need to do is to get data. All right, you already have a smartphone. First social media platform you can sell your product for free is Facebook Marketplace. I made a video about how to sell on Facebook Marketplace, so I'll drop the link in the description, and also you can check up here for that video. Facebook Marketplace is a free place where you can sell your product. Okay, it's one of the features of Facebook. So if you're on Facebook, you should definitely have Facebook Marketplace on your Facebook app. So if you want to know more about how to sell on Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace, check that video and see how to sell your product on Facebook Marketplace. It's actually free of charge. You're not paying sponsor ad for it. You just upload your product, you choose your location where you want your client to make inquiry from, where you want your client to come from. You choose your location, and that is all for that. All right, second place you can sell your product is gigi.com. right? You can actually put your product up on gigi.com. I've been using gigi.com since 2019, and I know gigi.com also have sponsored ads, but you can actually sell your product free of charge without paying for the ads. Yeah, I have made sales on gigi.com. So I'm not just telling you something that is in the air, I'm telling you what I have done, and it worked very well for me. So you can actually use the free ads on gigi.com until you are ready to use their paid ads. All right, some place you can sell your product is on your WhatsApp status. Your WhatsApp status is another marketplace that you are sleeping on. So if you've not been using your WhatsApp for sales, sister, brother, now is the time to dive into that green app and walk on that street with your product, because there are a lot of persons that are ready to buy from you on WhatsApp. So if you don't know how to go about it, or you want more details about how to sell on WhatsApp Marketplace, then there's a video on my channel, how to make more sales on Marketplace. There are some strategies that you need to put in place to make sales on WhatsApp. So you should jump down to that video immediately after this one to see how to make more sales on WhatsApp. That green app that you're not using, you're sleeping on it. So you should go straight to the street of that green app, WhatsApp app, and start making cool cash from there. Yes, I've been using WhatsApp status to sell most of my products. In that video I also mentioned that there are times that I only sell on WhatsApp status. Like, I don't even get to sell on other platforms, just my WhatsApp status. And apart from the WhatsApp status, there are other ways you can make sales on WhatsApp. So you should go check that video and watch to the end. Make sure you watch the end, don't skip any part of the video for you to get maximum value from that video. The fourth place you can sell your products, and that is Instagram. Everyone is on the street of Instagram checking out for product. Like me, if I hear about any product, the first place I go to is on Instagram. One thing I love about Instagram, it is being presented as an online store, unlike Facebook that you need to scroll to see the product. Once you search someone's Instagram page, like my Instagram page, once you search, you will see all my products, like pictures of the product I have, like well presented, right? So with that, if I want to get something from Zplus stores, I'll just search Zplus stores on Instagram and I get all my products. If I want to search for maybe a surprise in any location, let's say I want to order something as a surprise to my sister, my friend, anybody in Port Harcourt, and I am not in Port Harcourt, what I will do is I will search for what I want. If it's food, I can search for bole joints in Port Harcourt, and all the bole joints in Port Harcourt pages on Instagram will pop up and I will pick the product. So if you're not using Instagram for business, guys, you're on a long thing, so you should better go check it out. Yeah, you can have your personal page, have your business page, so go check it out and let me know in the comment section what you found out. Okay, if you've used any of these 4 platforms to sell your product before, just comment the platform. If it's GG, comment GG. If it's WhatsApp, comment WhatsApp. If it's Facebook, comment Facebook. If it's Instagram, comment Instagram. Then the 5th I'll be talking about, and the most important, is having your business register on Google My Business. Having your business register on Google My Business. If you're not doing this, then you have to wake up, collect your money. So you have to wake up and register your business on Google My Business. Okay, if you search for my brand Zplus stores on Google, you're actually going to see my location and everything. And if someone in my location, let's say someone wants to know about businesses in my location, or someone is searching for importation coaches in my location, or someone is looking for where to buy anti-blue eye glasses or other products in my location, they'll actually search for it, glasses in so location, and my brand will pop up. There you have my contact, you have my email, you have my address. So you see, it's very cool. So if your business is not on Google My Business, sister, brother, go do that right away. It's very easy. When you're searching for something and you search shops near me, bole joint near me, you might be wondering why I'm mentioning bole joint, like I'm missing Port Harcourt bole right now. Okay, you can search for beauty shops near me, and those shops pops up. It's those shops that are registered on Google My Business that pops up, because Google recognize that. If you don't know that Google is one of the best search engine, then you have to check that out, because in 2022 you have to make money, you have to cash out, and there are easy ways to do this, right? You mustn't have a physical store to start a business. Start leveraging social media and the internet and make more money. Alright, so this is what I decided to drop for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, if you love any part of this video, do well to give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. Oh, I think I didn't mention my name. My name is Rachael Naabon, and on this channel we talk about entrepreneurship, social media, and lifestyle. So if this sounds like what you would love to hear more about, then all you need to do is to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe, turn on notification, and like this video. Let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful, and also you can suggest the videos you want to see on this channel, and we will make just that for you. But for now, bye.